Transfer basics, understanding the transfer process. This presentation will allow you to understand the transfer process, allow you to understand how Citrus College fits into your big picture of pursuit of your bachelor's degree, what it entails, what it does not entail. So gain a further understanding of the transfer process. And to do so, we're going to cover the following topics. We're going to go over the degrees found in higher education. We're going to get into the goals that you can accomplish specifically at Citrus College, the transfer/bachelor's degree requirements, and resources available to help you with your transfer process. These are the topics, among others, that we'll be talking about this presentation to allow you to understand this process, which may sound overwhelming, can be overwhelming, but this presentation is aimed to help you simplify that process. So first and foremost, the degrees found in higher education. This pyramid here illustrates that. So you'll see your high school diploma, followed by your associate degree, which is at the community college, and this is where we are currently at. This is why it says you are here. We're in pursuit of our bachelor's degree. So how do I get there? The next level is a bachelor's degree. Above that comes our master's degree. Above that is our doctorate. And when we say doctorate, a lot of people reference it as your PhD. There are also EDDs, but this is also your law school degree, your medical school degree, your pharmacy school degree, optometry school. Professional schools also is where your doctorate. But we are currently right here, and we're looking to transfer to go earn our bachelor's degree. But this is a nice visual that shows you the levels of higher education and degrees you can earn within. Moving right along, which goals can I accomplish at Citrus College? At Citrus College, you can accomplish a few goals. Skill awards. Skill awards are very brief goals. 1, 2 classes, as you can see, between 1 to 17 and a half units. Skill awards include stuff like coaching skill awards, a marketing skill award, QuickBooks, certified nurse assistant, CNA. So short 1, 2, 3, 4 classes, maybe no more than 17 and a half units is what a skill award is all about. And the important part is it requires only major preparation. Only major preparation. So if you're going to be an EMT, you're after the EMT skill award, all you worry about are EMT courses, right? No other general ed, no other courses, just specifically for that field. Similar to certificates. Certificates also require only major preparation courses. But this is a little more. So not just 2, 3 classes. This is, a full range. You're searching for certifications, cosmetology, automotive. We have an accounting certificate, criminal justice certificate, dental assisting, information technology, real estate, etc. A little more than 2, 3, 4 classes, but also it's not a degree either. You're focusing specifically on your major preparation. Once we say degree, this also requires major preparation, but now we also include general education. For example, I want to get a degree in criminal justice. I need criminal justice courses, which is my major, in addition to my general education, English, math, history, fine arts, sciences, lifelong understanding, etc. So a certificate, just that major. For example, a certificate in cosmetology, all you worry about are cosmetology courses. The minute we say I want to get an associate degree in cosmetology, it's those major preparation courses coupled with my general education. The next goal we can accomplish at the college is transferring to a 4-year institution. In order to be able to transfer to a 4-year institution, it is major preparation. Same example, let's say criminal justice. I need criminal justice courses plus my general education. Well, this is very similar. It says the same thing in associate degree and transfer. Very similar requirements. It's not too different, but there is an instance where you are able to get an associate degree and not necessarily meet transfer requirements. So these are, although they do look very similar, make sure you reach out to a counselor. You understand the difference. But there are degrees, ADT degrees, associate degree for transfer, that embed getting your associate degree, which means graduation, and transferring to a 4-year. So ultimately, these are the the awards, they're the goals that you can accomplish at the college. Anything between a few classes get you a skill award, a few more get a certificate. Associate degrees require 60 units. Transferring to a university also requires 60 units. Focusing on the transfer part. In order to get your bachelor's degree, big picture, you need 120 units. 120 units will get you your bachelor's degree. Now, what you're here at Citrus College to do is to earn half of it here, which is why you need 60 units. So to get to your 120 units, half of it at Citrus College, 60 units, the other half at the university. 60 units here, 60 units over there. That gets you your 120. That gets you your bachelor's degree. So in your back of your mind or in the front of your mind, 120 units is a goal. Half of it here, half of it over there. The half that you do here is called lower division. Lower division, the half that you do at the university is called upper division. At the community college, at Citrus College, we do not offer upper division courses, which is why you're not able to get a bachelor's degree from Citrus College. All that is offered at the community college, Citrus College, is lower division courses. So you're here to complete your lower division requirements, which is going to allow you to transfer to the university to complete your upper division requirements. I get the question, hey man, how come I can't get a bachelor's degree at Citrus? Why can't I just do 120 units here? Again, because you need a combination of lower division plus upper division to get you your bachelor's degree. And upper division is only found at the university, which is why you have to transfer there and you knock out your upper division coursework. And upper division is a little more focused into your field. For example, as a sociology major at the lower division level, you find courses that are very broad. Intro to sociology. But at the upper division level, you're looking at sociology, for example, sociology of the family. So the dynamics of the groups of the family, institution, and so forth. So a lot more focus into your field. So lower division is what you're here to accomplish. Upper division is what you'll do at the university. Again, half here, half over there. The lower division requirements at the community college here is, how do I get those? It's a combination of general ed plus courses for my major. General ed plus courses for my major, right? Like we saw in the previous slide, I need general ed, English, math, history, sciences, fine arts, lifelong understanding, humanities, etc., plus my specific major. If I'm a business major, I do general ed plus my business courses. If I'm an engineer major, my general ed plus my engineer courses. If I'm a nursing major, my general ed plus my nursing requirements. So whatever your field of study is your major, the general ed is what's consistent across the board. Again, your general education, which we'll get into in a little more detail in 1 second. And then I transfer to university and I do finish my upper division work, which also contains major preparation, also contains general education, but the majority of it is going to be general or major preparation once you get over there. So yes, you have general ed to do over there. Yes, you have major preparation to do over there, but it flips. General education here is heavy, 40 units or so. Over there, it's about 3 or 4 classes. So once you transfer, you're going to go right into your major, dive fully into your field of study. Here at the lower division level, you're laying your foundation. So when you get over there, you're going to go right into that field of study. So big picture, 120 units. Half of it get it done here. Half of it you do at the university. Now, is it that easy? It can be. You know, if you're a business major, you're going to take the same courses that the next person is going to take as a business major. So both you and I are business majors. On paper, we're going to look the same. What's going to allow us to transfer? What's going to open more opportunities for us and give you more transfer options? How you perform in the classroom. GPA, GPA, GPA. The major preparation for you is the same major preparation for me. If we're both business majors or if we're both of the same major, the general ed is going to look very similar. So again, on paper, we're going to look the same. Who produces in the classroom, that's who's going to help bridge that gap to the next level. Not that you're not able to transfer if you don't get an A in everything, but if you are able to get a higher GPA, the chances, the more opportunities, more universities will open their doors for you because of your strengths of your academics. So you will have somewhere to transfer to. However, the elite, the more competitive, the higher GPA, the more opportunities you will open up for yourself. Continuing that same slide, similar concept, just laid out differently. Your bachelor's degree is 120 units, lower division plus upper division. How do I get my 60 done here? It's general education. It's just of which you have two options. General education, there is a CSU GE or the IGETC. The CSU GE, hey, I know I'm going to transfer to a Cal State. I'm going to Cal State Fullerton. I'm going to Cal State LA, or I'm going to Cal Poly Pomona. Well, then follow the CSU GE. That's the best pattern for you. However, I don't know if I want to transfer to a Cal State or a UC. I want to have both doors open, and or I'm thinking about a private school as well. Then our recommendation is to follow the IGETC, IGETC, Intersegmental General Education Transfer Curriculum. So these are options. Not one is better than the other. It's not a preference. You don't have a better chance if you have this version versus that version, etc. It's whichever your path is. That's the pattern you want to follow, and there is no right way, no wrong way. And as we go through class, you'll be able to see more details of these general education patterns and what they're all about. But ultimately, it's a general education, whichever one of these is best for you, and courses for our major. Various areas where you can find out what do I need as a business major, as an engineer, as a nursing, as a teacher, as a child development major, as a civil engineer major, as a physics major, as a sociology major, psychology. What do I need? These websites here, which we'll get into, assist.org, your associate degree for transfers. The UCs have transfer pathways. Private schools have articulation agreements. So this is a way. Make sure you meet with a counselor and or reach out to a counselor to make sure you understand what your combination of your major preparation is going to be and what your general education, the best path for you is. This will allow you to transfer and go move on to finish off your upper division stuff to get your bachelor's degree. Which resources are available for me? First and foremost, the Career Transfer Center. Career Transfer Center, there is a career center. There is a transfer center on campus located in the Student Services Building. Their dedication, their focus is on helping you with transfer, and specifically it's helping you with career and also specifically with transfer. So know that the transfer center is available for you. I'll show you a screenshot of what the services they have. As you're writing your essays for the universities, you're writing essays for scholarships or for your classes, the Writing Center is there to assist you as well. And also we have workshops. How do I apply for the university? What are private schools all about? What if I want to learn more about Cal Poly Pomona? I want to learn more about the UCs. I want to know more about these degrees. I want to know more about my opportunities for transfer. They have a variety of workshops throughout the semester. And I will show you some screenshots of their pages now. Here's a screenshot or a image, I guess not an image, the website for the transfer services. You simply have to look through our A to Z index and look for transfer services. You'll see the workshops that are offered. You'll see information on Cal States, on UCs, on private schools, on general education. A lot of great resources that you can find. You want to meet with the university representative, or you want to contact the university representative, you need help with your application, etc. A lot of great resources are found within the Transfer Center, Transfer Services webpage. I mentioned the Writing Center also, so you can see the Writing Center as assistance. Here's a flyer with more details of the Writing Center, where they're located. There's no meeting ID, the details. And now that you are aware of the big picture transfer process, as we move on through the modules, you'll find more details about these different segments, general ed, that's what we'll get into, but I wanted to give you a big picture of it, of what it looks like and how Citrus fits into this big picture. It's not you have to transfer and then start on your 4-year degree. You're starting on it now. So take it serious, get good grades. That's what's going to open the door for you. And as you see on the next slide, ready, set, transfer, off you go. All the best to you. Let's make it happen.